how cool would it be to get paid $1 million a year doing what you love? Well, today I'm going to share with you exactly how to get that done, how to make sure that you're getting paid for doing something that you actually enjoy doing. You know, you're your own boss. I'm going to share with you a few stories that I know of peers of mine, mentors and colleagues and clients of ours, of how they've done it. And then I want to show you guys how you can do it too. So stay tuned for that. By the way, if you've not already, make sure you go over to Talk to Trey. That's T-A-L-K. What's up, Instagram? TALKTOTREY.com. Fill in your name and email for us, and we'll give you guys 50 free training videos today. How cool is that? So I'm in my summer gear today. I got my t-shirt on, I got my shorts, because I wanted to talk about passion. I wanted to talk about love of doing something that you really thoroughly enjoy. Like, what if, ask yourself this, if you could get paid to do one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be? Think about that. That's the question you guys need to write down today. If I could get paid to do the one thing for the rest of my life and get paid doing it, what would that be? Maybe it's surfing. Maybe it's golfing for some of you guys. Maybe it's fishing for others. Maybe it's reading the Bible. Maybe it's traveling. Maybe it's driving your 18-wheeler truck. Maybe it's sitting here in front of the camera and teaching you guys how to make money. Whatever it is, what is your passion? What do you love to do? And if you could go do that and get paid to do it, well, that would be a dream, right? That would be a pretty cool reality to have. That'd be quite the life. Because think about it. I mean, you don't have any more sick days. You have unlimited sick days. I mean, you're the boss. You have unlimited travel. You have a vacation, travel days. You don't have somebody to stick up to, right? Like the boss. Well, you can determine how much money you make or don't make. That's the gift that you get when you get to go and do your passion. You know, a lot of people, they save for retirement, you know, until they're 60. So now they're old and crippled, but they got a little bit of cash in the bank, but now they can't enjoy it because they're ill or they're sick or they're crippled or they ache and they have pain. It's like, I can't walk, I can't go up hills, but I saved all this money. So it's like the reverse effect. But what if you could actually be retired, but also get paid to be retired, right? So that's kind of what I'm showing you guys here today. All right, so get on with it, Trey. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you here as well. I love seeing you. Yep, awesome. Okay, cool. So, a few things. I want to tell you some stories, and then I want to kind of walk you through it. So one of the first kind of stories that came to me when it was about four or 5 years ago, when I was listening to a video of the man Tanner Larson. If you guys know Tanner Larson, give him a shout out. What's up, Tanner? Tanner Larson was talking about this couple. I always talk about this in our mastermind too, that he oversaw. And it was of this couple, this husband and wife, and what they did was they were looking for, you know, to get out of their job, to quit, and they're looking for the next big thing, but they wanted to do something that they were very passionate about. And little things were going on through, this is kind of when Facebook was kind of starting, and the guy, I'm pretty sure the guy would paint, so he was a painter, okay? And the wife, she was a poet, she would write poems. And ever so often, when he would do a painting, he would just kind of post it up on his Facebook and just say, hey, here's the newest and latest and greatest painting for the day. Wanted to, you know, share it with my family, share it with my friends. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll probably sell it or something like that later on, or maybe I'll hang it in our painting room. And people started to really love these things. People started to say, hey, could you tag me the next time that you put this painting up? Or, hey, do you mind like creating an email list of your paintings so that way when you do a painting, you could send me an email? And that's kind of when this epiphany happened, okay? And they said, there's people that are actually looking to receive our paintings. What if we created some sort of membership, some sort of continuity where people actually paid to receive images of our paintings, to enlighten their day, to make their day better? And so that's exactly what they did. I don't know what the cost was. Maybe it was $10 a month. Maybe it was $19 a month. Maybe it was $50 a month. But what happened was they started creating a painting. He started painting every single day. His passion, right? His passion. He loved to paint. And now he started to get paid to paint. And this is when it gets really good, is the wife comes in, and what she would do is she would write a poem about the painting. So whatever the painting was, she would write a poem about the painting, and they would attach the poem in the email to the painting that went out. So now people were receiving every single day or every 2 days for $10 or $20 a month. Hey, here's the next latest and greatest painting, along with a little poem to enlighten your day, to start off your day right. That's pretty cool, isn't it? And these guys became millionaires. They actually created a $1 million business a year of just painting and writing poems. You see, sometimes as humans, right, as people trying to figure out this life in the world, we try to make things so complicated, so complex, when in fact, I don't know if it necessarily needs to be that way. I think it could be very simple, very giving, right? To where people receive something that you're able to give and they're willing to vote with their credit card, as Jonathan Holden would say, right? So they get to vote with their credit card on if they like it or not. They get to say, hey, you know what, I'm willing to pay you $10 a month or $20 a month to receive emails with paintings. There's people out there that would love to do that, that would love to receive that. In fact, they've proved it true to where now it's a multi-million-dollar business. And all they do is paint and write poems, and they get to do that. They get to take unlimited vacations. I mean, you can paint anywhere you go. There's another guy named Brian Johnson. Maybe you guys know him. So Brian Johnson, B-R-I-A-N, Johnson.me. I think he changed his company name though, but it redirects. So BrianJohnson.me. Most of you guys will probably go buy this after you hear it, but it's pretty amazing. I got the concept. I believe it was we were sitting in a board of advisor meeting, a BOA meeting, and I can't remember if it was Marty or if it was James, but they said, hey, if you're tired of reading books, you need to get with Marty here. I want to make sure Instagram is not losing you guys. Oops. I want to make sure that you guys, if you're hating reading books, you check out Brian Johnson, because what he does is he goes and reads these really cool books, really cool entrepreneurial, inspirational books, and then he writes cliff notes on it, but he calls them philosopher notes. What a cool way to change up the philosopher or the cliff notes, right? To change them to philosopher notes. So anyways, he writes a 6-page documentary almost, right? A synopsis of the book, and it's so good. It's like watching the trailer for a movie. You know, once you watch the trailer, you're like, I could have just watched the trailer. I knew exactly everything that happened, all the funny jokes. I knew it all. But then you actually go and watch the whole video because the trailer is so good. Well, Brian Johnson gives you the trailer of the book. And so you read these philosopher notes, and it's full of gold, full of such great intelligence. And it's so thick, right, in those 6 pages. And he asks for $10 a month. He has over now, I think, probably 500 books now. At the time, it was like 400 books. But you get access to them all. You can go download them all if you want, or you just kind of nitpick around of what books you want to get the philosopher notes on and just kind of create that, inherit that intelligence. He has, I believe, over 40,000 people a month paying him over $10. I think maybe even raised his price to $20 now. But over 40,000 people that are paying him $10 a month. My friends, that's 400 grand, 400,000. Let's just put this into perspective. That's $400,000 a month. Brian's getting paid to read books, something that he loves doing, something that he enjoys. He thoroughly enjoys it. So he gets to go out and read these books, write up some philosopher notes, upload them to his website, and people are excited to pay him over $10 a month to get those philosopher notes. So they don't have to go out and read. People are lazy, so they want the easy way out, and they're willing to pay for it. But Brian was able to chase his passion of being able to read books, so he gets paid now to be educated on the things that he wants to read, the things that he wants to go and do. You can read a book anywhere. You can read a book on a beach. You can read the book in your California house or your Florida house or your Texas or heck, in Paris. It doesn't matter. It all reads the same. So that's what I'm looking for is I want you to ask yourself, if I could get paid to do one thing for the rest of my life, what would it be? What would I go out and do? And then go chase that passion. Go chase that passion, because you can get paid to do the passion. If that's skiing every day, if that's boating, if that's reading books, if that's sitting on a beach, if that's traveling, or if it's golfing, or if it's hunting, whatever the passion is, people are willing and able to pay you to go out and allow you to enjoy that passion. I'm talking about instant retirement here, my friends, right? Not working the job 40 hours a day, 80, however many weeks a year, 365 days, overtime, bosses. I'm saying go chase your passion, okay? Another story. So anyways, I took these two. This story is about me now. And I took these stories. I said, these are really great concepts. How could we inherit the same concept? What am I doing right now that maybe somebody could pay us for. And it came with what's called the masterclass, okay? The masterclass. And the masterclass is where we go out and we look at other people's funnels. We look at other people's products. What are they selling? How do they sell them? Order forms, upsells, downsells, the thank you pages. What's the follow-up look like? Do they email us? Do they text us? Do they call us? Do they direct mail us anything? Do they retarget us, right? Because I'm curious. I want to know. I want to learn what other people are doing. I'm excited about it. And I actually record all this stuff. And so what we said is, I wonder if anybody would else be interested in accessing these recordings, having access to our kind of library of hacks. I think we have over 100 recordings now inside of our masterclass. It might be close to like 130, 140. And so we said, hey, is anybody willing to pay us $10 a month to have access to these recordings? I mean, it's worth it because we go out and hack hundreds or $300 or $500 worth of product each month. And all you got to do is pay $10 to see it all, right? You don't have to go spend the money to access these products, supplement products, digital products, services, other little things, right? Call to actions, book of calls, right? All these different funnels that you could have access to for $10. We called the masterclass. And you know what? What's crazy is it worked. People were willing and said, yeah, I'll take that. And over time, without any advertising, just kind of mentioning it like this, we've got over 1,000 people in there. It's $10,000, right? $10,000 a month. A lot of people you could do a lot of things with $10,000 a month on just a master class. So think about it, my friends. Think about what is your passion? What do you love doing? What could you go out and do? Would you like to wear t-shirts and shorts every single day? Would you love to wear, I'm wearing flip-flops right now. I got flip-flops on, right? Flip-flops around, driving in the summer drive, maybe getting to work around 9 o'clock. You know, a good friend of mine, I always watched his Facebook news feeds, and one day I was watching and he took a picture of his staircase, and he goes, and there's a shoe in the middle of the staircase, and he goes, man, traffic was really awful today. And he was joking because his traffic, the way to get to work was through those stairs. He literally walked from his bedroom up to his office, and in the traffic and the line of where he had to go, there was a shoe, and he's like, very drastic times. And the other thing he kind of mentioned is, I can't remember the last time that I woke up to an alarm clock. And how cool is that? To not even set an alarm, to actually choose that, hey, when my body says that I'm ready to get up, I get up, versus having to give up. There's a choice that you guys can make, and it's all about choosing your passion. We have training for you guys, free training, that you can start your journey, start your way to chasing your passion. It's talktotrey.com. All you need to do is go in, type in talk, open a browser, type in talktotrey.com. We'll probably have something sliding on the screen here. Brent, we got something on the screen for him?
Not today.
Oh, not today. We don't have it today, so you just got to listen to me. Talktotrey.com. Go there and enter your information. All right, I think it's just email and name. And then boom, you'll have access to 50 video trainings where we deep dive into things like SMS messaging, email, bridge building, structures, niches, all the kind of stuff you need to know about starting your passion, getting excited, getting motivated, getting jacked up on saying, hey, you know what? It's time that I go and live for me for once and get paid to do it. So my friends, this is Marketing Mondays. We do this every single Monday at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, okay? All you got to do is show up. I show up. All you got to do is show up and receive free content. The next best thing to do from there is go implement this stuff. Don't just listen. Don't just sit back and say, man, Trey, that was a good Marketing Monday today. No, go implement this stuff. That's what I really want you to do. I want you to go out and implement, take action, and let us know how it did, right? Send us a message. Send us a little note, written note. I don't care how you tell us. Telegram, text messages, however, okay? Let us know how it worked, and then take the stair step from there and go to the next level. All right, my friends, have a great rest of the day. Enjoy your week. Go do big things. See you guys.